Hello beautiful, welcome back. Today I have a huge SHEIN clothing haul and oh my god, I cannot wait to show you what I bought. Everything came in this huge heavy bag, and I did purchase some jewelry from them as well and some other accessories, and I already filmed that video. If that's out, I'm going to have the link down below, and today I'm going to film the clothing part and also I'm going to try them on. So if you guys want to see what I have in this huge bag, then keep on watching. I'm going to start with the top that I'm wearing right now, and oh my god, this is so cute. It's a little bit annoying because it doesn't stay on my shoulders, and also is not as puffy as it looks in the pictures, but it's cute. This is how it looks. I'm going to have different clips to show you better, but it fits me very well. I got this size. So I got this in medium and it was 10 euros, but at checking I got 20% off of everything, so I paid only 8 euros for this one. Also I have to mention that on the side it has like a hidden zipper, and it does absolutely nothing because the fabric is so stretchy. You can put this on without opening the zipper. It's pretty cute, but I wish it was like a little bit, the opening was a little bit lower. I don't know how to explain it. It's cute, it's cute, I'm not gonna lie. Also the color is so pretty and the fabric feels very nice. Next we have a black top, and I have to mention this. Everything on SHEIN is crop top. Like, I don't get it. I have some things to cover up. I don't really wear crop tops. I did bought a few, and you know, let's hope for the best. So this is a black crop top, and it's so cute. I really like because it has the high neck. It looks like this. It has a zipper in front. It's very cute, very stretchy material, but these two lines in here are painted, and if you stretch this way too much, I feel like they will like break. I wish this was fabric as well. Anyway, next we have a yellow top, and this is like a mesh top, so you have to wear something under. Oh, the fabric is so soft, and wow, this is not crop top. Wow, I'm impressed. It has like mini ruffles on the neck and also on the sleeves, also on the bottom. The fabric is so cute and it has glitters in it. Wow, but as I said, it's very sheer, so you have to wear like a top or a bra under, obviously. This was 4 euros, but I paid 3 euros and 20 cents, and I got the size medium as well. Next, I think we have a black top, crop top maybe. And also I love that everything came in its own bag. Very professional, very professional. Oh, I really like the fabric on this one, and oh my god, this is like a bandeau type of top. This is so short, like I would not, I don't think I am able to wear this. The fabric feels so good, like so good, and this is double fabric, as we can see. It's not sheer, it's not see-through. Oh my god, I'm so bummed. I want more fabric, SHEIN. Again, I paid 3 euros and 20 cents, and this was 4 euros. So I got 20% off, and I got the size large because I knew that I have to go up a size because it's so small, and I thought it will be a little bit larger if I get the large one, but I was wrong. Okay, next we have another top. Oh, sorry, Mike. Wow, this is one shoulder top, and it looks so cute, and also the fabric is not amazing. This one is a little bit better, but it kind of feels the same. But it's cute though. It looks like this, and I hope this fits me. I got the size medium again, and the sleeve is a little bit puffy, and also it has some flower details on it. Oh, so cute. This was 6 euros, but I paid 4 euros and 80 cents. Moving on, I bought a lot of black items. Wow. Oh, I know what this is. So I bought this cute sexy dress. I think it's so cute. I mean, online it looks so cute. This looks, it looks okay, I'm not gonna lie. But this is like a gown dress. It says that it has a slide on the side. Yeah, it's right here. Also, it has a zipper in the back. The straps are adjustable and also a little bit stretchy. And also this fabric is a little bit stretchy. So I don't see the tag on this one. I paid €9.60 and I got this in the size large. Okay, moving on, we have another black top. I don't know what happened, but I bought a lot of black items. So, okay, I know what this is. This is like the yellow top, but this one has long sleeves. And it's the same fabric. It has glitters, as we can see. Little ruffles on the neckline, also on the sleeves, also on the bottom. And I really like that this is not top crop. Okay, this is long. You can tuck this in your pants. I like that. And the fabric feels very nice, very, I don't know, flowy. It feels nice. So I got this in the size medium and it was €5, but I paid €4. I love that for me. We have another crop top, like the mini black one, but this one isn't blue because I wanted to have more colors. And the fabric is the same and also is extra short, like the black one, as I said. I'm noticing that the straps are not the same fabric. This makes me so sad because, as I said, the fabric is so nice, and I wish this was at least below my belly button. This is the type of fabric that hugs your body, and this was €5, but I paid $4. I like the color though, it's so blue. We have again a black item, and I'm seeing the size here. I got the large, and I think this is the bra, maybe, or the bralette. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh wow, this is so cute. This is adorable. The straps are not adjustable and the fabric is like shoe tie fabric type of. I don't know what to say about that, but this looks freaking adorable. So I bought this to wear it with the black see-through mesh top and also with the yellow one. I think, wow, they will look so cute together, right? This was €7, but I paid €5.60, and as I said again, I got the size large. Wow, next we have some animal print top. Is this a top? I don't like the fabric on the sleeves. I don't know, it's not my favorite so far, but the top feels very nice. Anyway, it looks like this. The sleeves are see-through and the top is very cute. Actually, I really like that it's not crop top. Honestly, online it looked a little bit better, but anyway, I got this in the size medium and it was €8, but I paid €4. So we have more crop tops, and I know I said they are not my thing to wear because I have some situations to hide, but here I am buying crop tops. Wow, this is pink, like very pink. It says babe. The fabric is nice, and I think I bought this to sleep in it. I don't think I'm going to go outside wearing this one, but it's not bad, not bad. The fabric is very stretchy. This is cotton? I don't think so, but yeah, it's 95% cotton and spandex. I got the size extra large. What the heck is going on with me? Extra large? Yeah, I got the size extra large. This was €5, but I paid €4. Not bad, but why I got the extra large? Maybe because the reviews said to go a size up. Probably that's why. I don't know what I was thinking when I placed the order, like, for real. Oh, the fabric feels nice. So again, we have the same crop top. I got this in black and blue, and now we have the white one. And I really love this fabric. So sad they're so short. This was 4 euros, but I paid 3 euros and 20 cents, and I got the size large. Okay, we have a few more items left. Next I think I got a sweater. Oh wow, this feels super soft. Wow, I like the color too. What? This is so adorable. Oh my god, look at this. And the fabric feels extra soft. Like super extra mega soft. This is a little bit short on the waistline, but you can wear this with some high-waisted jeans or whatever. The sleeves are a little bit longer, as we can see. I love the fabric, like it's so extra soft, and it has that turtleneck, but it's not that high. So I got this in the size medium, and I paid 9 euros and 60 cents. Oh my god, isn't that insane? Like, this is absolutely adorable. And the color, it says burgundy, but this is way more bright red to me. Next I got 2 denim jackets. I got a yellow one because I don't have anything yellow in my closet, and I wanted a pop of color, you know? Okay, so it looks like this. It's a little bit short. The fabric feels nice. It's not like real denim, to be honest, but it feels very soft, and this is for like the springtime, you know, very yellow-ish. This smells like denim. Wow. So it has 3 buttons right here. Oh, 4 buttons, mi scusi. Also, it has little pockets on the sides. I paid 14 euros and 40 cents, and this was 18 euros initially. And I got the size small because in the comment section everyone said to go a size down because they run big. So that's what I did. And then I have another denim jacket, but this one feels more thick fabric, and it looks like this. Wow, this has some weight. It looks like this, is a little bit washed out. Very basic, very cute. Again, we have mini pockets. Are these real pockets? Because I would love that. Yeah, but no. I guess I have to cut that down, but it looks like we have real pockets. Oh my god, I love that. I love pockets. So again, I got the size small, and this smells a little bit awkward. And this was again 14 euros and 40 cents, and initially this was 18 euros. And last but not least, I have a mesh see-through top, and it has like some little velvet stars on it. And oh my god, those stars are so messy. They leave behind a lot of black dust. I don't know how to name it. I did wear this a few days ago, and everything, it was black, and I have, my vanity is white, and everything had like this thick layer of black dust, and it was from this top. I'm going to open it to show you, but I paid 4 euros and 80 cents. This was 6 euros, and I got the size medium. So it looks like this, very cute mesh top, long sleeve with a little bit of ruffles on the neck area, also on the sleeves. So I don't know if the camera picks that, but I'm seeing that some of the stars did lost that peach fuzz, and now I understand where that black dust came from. So I'm going to put this back on so it goes back in the bag, and that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what was your favorite item. My favorite item has to be the one shoulder top. I think it's so cute, and also I love the sweater. I pretty much like everything I got, and I'm talking way too soon because I haven't tried them on. Also, the top I'm wearing right now is so cute. So let me know down below what you guys liked from this haul, and check the jewelry and more random stuff, accessories. Anyway, I don't know how I named that video. Check that video as well. I'm going to have the link down below. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one.